this video, you'll practice a simple assessment. Listen and repeat. Imagine you are the nurse. Let's get started. Hi, I'm your nurse today. Let's check your blood pressure. Feet flat on the floor. Uncross your legs, please. Rest your arm here. Relax your arm. Try not to move. Perfect. Now I'm going to check your heart rate. Going to check your temperature. I'm going to listen to your lungs. Take a deep breath. Any cough? Any shortness of breath? I'm going to listen to your bowel sounds. I'm going to press here. Tell me if it hurts. Does this hurt? When was your last bowel movement? Let's check your circulation. Any numbness or tingling? I'm going to check your pulse in your foot. Are you in pain? Where is the pain? How strong is the pain? From 0 to 10. What makes it better or worse? Great job. And that's a simple assessment you can practice every day to feel more confident speaking with patients. See you next time.